In a central reprographics department where the entire printing process needs to be handled in-line, professionally, the Ricoh Pro 8300 series is the solution. High productivity. Its high-speed engine can print up to 136 pages per minute in A4 and 76 in A3. The toner bottle can be replaced on the fly while printing. With the new auto recovery function, multi-fed sheets are shunted to the purge tray, allowing the system to recover automatically and continue printing without operator intervention. Multiple options. The new finisher takes full advantage of the printer's high productivity and media capabilities. The top shift tray can hold up to 1,000 sheets, the bottom up to 3,500 sheets, enabling non-stop printing. The booklet finisher supports saddle stitching up to 30 sheets. The new air-assisted cover interposer tray can handle continuous feeding of coated and thick paper, providing the opportunity to create various types of booklets. The new ring binder is smaller and supports thicker paper, suitable for textbooks and manuals. A rich lineup of options is made available to meet diverse needs. Wide media capability enables production of various print applications. The Ricoh Pro 8300 series handles all processes in line and delivers a professional finish. Expand your possibilities. Ricoh Pro 8300 series.